What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Got a super clean 1952 Ford F1 truck here. Just gonna do a quick walk around video. This is a short wheelbase. Got the 239 flathead V8 in it. Running great. 3-speed on the column, manual transmission. Chrome's super nice. One of the best things I love about this truck, how clean the body is. Haven't found a rust bubble on the outside anywhere. Fenders, super clean. See the reflection in the paint there. Running boards, no bubbles. Cab corners, no bubbles. Same with the doors here. Just in great shape. Interior bench seat's been redone. Headliner looks newer. See these doors, super solid. Got the wood bed in the back. Spare tire underneath. I do have the original wheels for it as well. Skinny ones. Skinny wheels. Let's fire this dude up here. I need to use 2 hands. Oh, gosh. Truck runs awesome. Anyway, y'all, if you have any questions, let me know. My name is Josh. We also have a showroom full of other classy cars, classy classics. We have nationwide shipping and financing available. Let me know how I can help. Thanks.